Okay, he has all the cheese in the pot. Well, not all the cheese. Still have a little bit in this package. We're gonna end up using all of it. This is just what it starts to look like. Put milk and water and cheese. It'll start melting in a minute. Just easier. Put little cubes in there. Chop it up a little bit. Yes. Now we gotta cook. What now? What we gonna do now? Gotta cook the ground beef. And we're gonna season everything with, where's the seasoning? Garlic powder. Have hot sauce. Cranberry Sprite is the best.
Yeah.
And ranch.
Sea salt.
Oh, sea salt.
Grinder on top of it, so it's good. You gotta worry about it. We're gonna put it up.
Worry about putting too much salt. Almost tripped over the water. And we'll be back whenever the pan heats up.